Alright, so this is what I'm shooting. Barra 400E, fully automatic BB gun. It's got a high ram red dot by Pinty, so I'm shooting 50 yards with an unmagnified optic. Here we go. Alright, look, man. This is just for the heck of it, because, you know, it's time to go to bed and I haven't shot this thing in a while, and I'm just kind of curious. So this is my Barra 400E full auto electric BB gun. 50-yard target up, y'all. And, you know, let's see what's up. That's a long friggin' way for a smooth barrel BB gun. I wish this table would quit sliding. Dang you, table. Oh, well, this thing holds a lot. There it is. Whew. That was uncomfortable. Most of those misses were my fault, actually. I'm not ashamed to admit it. I think it's pretty accurate for a friggin' BB gun. For an electric BB gun.